So I'm going to make a recipe inspired by one of my favorite desserts, a Paris Brest. And Paris Brest is a dessert which was made by a pastry maker to celebrate the bicycle race. Can you see these look like wheels? From Paris to Brest. Traditionally, it's made with a praline pastry cream, but I'm simplifying everything. So no choux pastry, just these lovely puff pastry almond cardamom rings, which if you want to know the recipe, check out my other video. Then we have some delicious white chocolate and cardamom mousse, a piping bag, and lots of really fun hundreds and thousands sprinkles. I love these. It reminds me of my childhood in the UK. Always had loads of them on ice cream. Now to make it, it's fairly simple. You need your ingredients and you just need a piping bag. So let's assemble it. Little tip, grab yourself a jug or a jar or a large vase, and then you can pop your piping bag in like so. And then you've got your hands free to just pop the mousse in. Look how fluffy and light that is. You might be wondering, why is there cardamom in everything? Well, this is a Paris Stockholm to kind of represent my time in Paris and Stockholm. And in Sweden, you use a lot of cardamom in pastries and baked goods. So that's why I've put cardamom in this dessert. Also, it works really well with white chocolate. So, just pop this on the side, squeeze this down. Little tip, if you're holding a piping bag, the best way is to do an L shape with your finger and your thumb, and then you can just give it a twist, sit the piping bag in between your thumb and your finger, and then you can just squeeze with these fingers, and you've got the other hand free to do whatever you want, you know, sing and dance, cha-cha-cha. No, it's really just to help you with the pastries. Now, take one of your little wheels, your little rounds, and then just pipe around like so. Simple as that. And then pop your sprinkles onto your plate. They jump everywhere. You're gonna find sprinkles everywhere for the next week. And then you just dip the white chocolate in like that. There you go. You have one little Paris Stockholm. Really easy. If you wanted to, you could go a little bit more elaborate with the piping and do something like this. You could just pipe little mountains. There you go. And then, if you want less sprinkles, you could just sprinkle that on like that. I mean, if you don't like hundreds of thousands, you could use a bit of chopped chocolate, shaved chocolate, or some chopped nuts. Also very nice. But I think the hundreds of thousands are just so fun. Look, it's so joyous. I mean, how would you be able to resist a pastry like this? I certainly can't.
So good.